Okay, there are two scenarios when it comes to make some changes or edit your own Canva design. It's either you choose the one that also is already available in Canva, which is like this, or you choose a blank template for you to start create your own design from Canva. So let's talk about in this video how to edit fonts and sentence for your template you choose. So if you choose something that is from Canva own design, such as this, to make changes for the sentence or the font, make sure you see the box, and then you make changes. So the first one is how to delete the sentence here. So to delete, click, see the box, double click. Once you see it's highlighted, you go straight backspace. Welcome students. Okay, and if you double click, highlight, and you want to click delete, it will delete everything. So it's not suggested for you to click the delete button here. Okay, so if you have done that, don't worry, just go here and undo, and you get back your box here. So again, not suggested to click here because it's going to delete everything. So next, how to make change on the font design. So to make font design changes, make sure you see the box, and then click here. Okay, so once you click here, you can scroll and search for your favorite um, font design. Okay, and as I scroll here, I know you see this crown here. Okay, what does it mean? It means that you have to pay to use it. And if you don't have the financial to pay, don't worry, Canva still have free available fonts you can choose from. It's just that you need to scroll from the word A to the word Z to find the font that you like. So I'm going to go with B because I did find one which I liked to make change for this font here. Okay, for this template. Okay, so I'm going to go with this one. So once you click, it will change the font. All right, next, let's go with the blank template. Okay, to add the tags, click tags. All right, so once you click the tags, you can go and straight adding. Okay, so this is the different size for the heading and the text you want, or you can choose the one that is available, the design from Canva itself. So I'm going to show you number one uh, from Canva team own design. So you can either click, or you can click drag and drop, okay, to the template. Okay, so once you did that, to make changes on to make placement change for this kind of font, what you need to do is to make sure you click see the box, and then just click again, and then just drag. Okay, so you can drop anywhere you like. And if you could see here, this is center. Okay, so I'm going to place this one in the center, so just drop it. Okay, and then just make the changes. So happy new year, for example. And if you could see, there is two box here. So whatever whenever you drag this box, the box down here will follow. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, so as you can see, it follows. So I don't want this box to follow this upper box, so I'm going to ungroup this below box. So to ungroup, just click, make sure you see the box, and then click ungroup. Okay, so once you click ungroup, you can change this and place it anywhere you like in the template. Alright, next, let's go with making your own headings and wordings for the template. So again, it's either you click, or you just click drag and drop. So I'm just going to click. Okay, and then once you see the every word is highlighted, just go straight and type. So I'm going to type, hi students, how how are you? Okay, so as you can see, I do not like the size because the size is small. So to change the size, there are three ways to do that. Number one is you click, make sure you see the box, and then click here and then choose, you know, the biggest size you can find, you know, from here. So the biggest one is 144, so I'm not going to go 144 because it's too big. I'm going to go with 120. Okay, so as you can see, because I did not highlight the whole word, the upper one is the only one changed the size. So again, I have to do it once more. Highlight everything and then click, and then just click the number, and there you have it, you know, the same size. Okay, number two, you still see that this is small, you want to make it big. Okay, you can double click here and then you just type the size. So I'm going to type, since the biggest one we see is 144, let's go with 150. Okay, so 150, this is the size you're going to get. And if you find it difficult, you know, to find the exact size for the font, you are not sure, you know, what's the number for the size, you can always do this, which I always do. Okay, click, make sure you see the box, and then just click one of the pointer here and then drag. Okay, so you can, you know, see the changes for the font size here. Alright, next, if you could see here, there's a big gap between the upper text and the lower text. So I want to make it close to each other. So how to make that is to click the three dots here and then click here for spacing and then click line height. Okay, so if you click here, it's going to, you know, make a big gap, and if you go here, it's going to make it close together. Okay, again, because I did not highlight it, everything I need to highlight and then click again, and then it just the line height. So this one does not stay together. I need to make it a bit small, so I'm going to type 170. Okay, alright, so this is nice. And if you do not like how the word space is close to each other, again, click this, click spacing, and then, you know, you can adjust the letters spacing. Okay, next, let's learn how to make to adjust alignments. Okay, so to adjust alignment, just click here. Okay, you can adjust where the alignment goes. It can go left, go right, it can be justified, it can be in the middle, so it's up to you. And if you could see here, this is bold, so technically this font does not serve bold. Okay, if I click this one, okay, this font, I can change, you know, and make it bold. Okay, so some fonts, when it's bold, you don't have to click bold here, and some fonts, you know, like this, because it's not bold, you can click to make it bold. And if you want to make it italic, just click, so it can become it can go to italic, or you want to make it underline, just click and it will go underline. Next, to add numbers or points to your sentence. I know some of us, you know, we want to make lists. Okay, so when to make list, you know, and to make it look good, we want to put numbers or points. Okay, to do that, click this. Okay, once you click number, make sure you highlight first. Once you click number one time, it goes to this, which is points. If you click second time, it will give you numbers, and if you click again, it goes back to before you click the list here. Okay, so this is how, you know, you make changes for the fonts